Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that accountancy chapter number 1, accounting for share capital, video number 52. In this class we are going to see few terms. After that, in the next class or by the classes, coming classes, we will discuss or we will solve that the numerical. First we are going to see that the theoretical few. Theoretical means actually you understand that what is that concept, just we are explaining, we are discussing here. Same, first we can see that over subscription. That means we had seen that for the accounting procedure, a company is asking people to buy their shares. For this purpose, they put their shares as a fixed number of shares in the share market. Or other example, you imagine that in a vegetable market, one person came with one basket full of tomato. So on that day, much demand was there for tomato. So he brought one basket full, or you imagine that is 50 kg of tomatoes. But he came by morning. You know that vegetable markets are sometime opening little early. So you imagine that it is open at 8 o'clock. Then by noon, 12 o'clock itself, this 50 kilo of tomato is over. Just imagine that. And thereafter again, demand is increasing, or people wanted to get this tomato. So by knowing that this person can arrange some more tomato if possible, or otherwise he cannot or she cannot, who is selling that person, cannot sell that more quantity. There is no tomato. If there is, he can sell. And come back to our situation. In case here it is not like this. In another example we can see in school. You know that in school especially that some schools that seats are reserved. Reserved means only a particular number, especially that for registering that students in class 11 and 12. You know that in each school is registered with a specific number. They cannot appoint more than that number of students. So you imagine that here in a school they can accommodate in plus 1, that means plus 1 and plus 2. They can accommodate only 200 students. 200 students, number of students, 200 students can be give exam in 1 year. More number are not allowed by the board, CBSE board. But you know that applications are received for 250. These 250 applications are reached here, but how many are only allowed in that school? 200. What they can do? Now 250 applications are there. What they can do? The management can. This 50 are there. You imagine that here some priorities the management will consider, or some for some parents some priority may be there. That means if students are studying, one thing is that the mark. Second thing, if that students is studied from the same school itself or not. And like that some priorities are given. On that basis, anyhow the management will adjust that the number by 200 itself. They cannot accommodate or admit that more number of students. They will admit only 200 students. For that selection, they use different criteria. So here in share also you can see that over subscription. You can see that here also some method we are using or method we are following for issuing that in case of here you see that in a company they issued 10,000 equity shares at 10 per share. That means one share price is 10 rupees. Like that, how much shares are there? 10,000 shares. Here, totally application received for 15,000. That means you can see that they issued only 10,000, but application received for 15,000. So you can see here minus 10,000. 5,000 is completely excess. So how the company adjusts this 5,000? They cannot give more than that 10,000. Then 10,000 is issued means that much can only they can allow also. But what they will do with that the 5,000 excess share application? You imagine that here when that 250 parents applied, different method can, I said that management will select on different criteria. One sometime they select that one parent itself applied for, he is having 2 children, and the management can consider only one student instead of 2. Then one student is awarded for one parent, 2 students. Just imagine that 2 students or 2 children are there. The 2 are in the same class. They are seeking admission. In that time, management decided to give admission for one of that child. Clear now? Same like that. Here also certain method to arrange this. Anyhow, it will come to that 10,000. Equity share itself. The number of equity share cannot be more than that 10,000. See, there are 3 methods using in this over subscription. This situation is saying that over subscription. That means issued less than 10,000 but applied for 15,000. You can see that 3 methods. What are that? One is that the complete 5,000 shares can be rejected and the money can be returned or give back to the applicant. In companies, if application money is received, if the application is rejected, the money must be, application money must be returned to the applicant. One thing, one method is that they can reject that. And next method is that known as the pro rata. What is that? Pro rata. Very simple only, nothing more is that. Pro rata means this, out of this 5,000 excess shares, this excess 5,000 shares will be adjusted to their call monies, or that according to that proportion. That means if a person here 10,000 shares only can be allowed by the company. In that time, company will decide that each 10 applicants will get 8. If they applied for 10 shares, they will get that 8 shares. If one applied for 20 shares, will get that according to this 16 shares. In this way, they will adjust this 5,000 to this 10,000. and the remaining amount, excess money, will be adjusted to, or that money will considered as an advance payment. That money will be adjusted to their call monies. You understand now? Very simple. The excess number of shares will be considered into a certain ratio. For example, if those all who applied for 10 shares will get one person, if I applied for 10 shares but I will get only 8 shares, that means that 2 shares are reduced like this. On this basis, the number of shares can be reduced. Then again here you see that if I applied, I will get that 2 shares money excess, application money excess. So this excess money will be adjusted in my second installment when I need to apply or pay that the second installment. We can't see that first installment is known as that application, next is allotment, or first call, second call, other call monies, third call, and if last means last call money, whether it is adjusted. In that time, I no need of paying that all amount, how much advance I paid, that amount no need of paying, the rest amount only I need to pay. You understand now? This is known as a pro rata allocation of shares. Next is that third method is that this first choose combination. That means some shares will be given on pro rata basis and some other shares will reject. That means among this 5,000 excess shares, 3,000 shares issued on pro rata basis and 2,000 shares rejected at the same time. 2,000 shares rejected, 3,000 shares are considered for issuing in pro rata basis. That combination can be used. This what we call, in this 3 method we can issue that the shares.